What's up, guys? I'm gonna try something out here. Go for a little walk. See a little bit of nature. Let's look around. Let's see. I don't see any feminists out here. And I'm not coughing. So I guess that woo flu hadn't got me yet. What's going on? What's going on in this crazy ass world right now? I mean, seriously. We got a pandemic spreading across the globe. We got more men committing suicide. We got all kinds of wars going on. Rumors of new wars. I mean, if you really want to discredit the Bible, then you need to get rid of some of these plagues, you know? You need to get rid of some of these wars. You need to get rid of some of this ill content in the world. Because it's not looking good. It's not looking good for the non-religious people. You know, if the Bible said, or any scriptures for that, any kind of prophetical writings said the world is going to be a nightmare, there's going to be plagues and rumors of wars. Well, and then it doesn't happen. Yep, you're fake. However, things aren't looking good for the home team here. I'm glad I'm a loner, you know? I'm glad I'm pretty antisocial lately. Because seems like most people aren't worth socializing with, you know, with their coughing and sneezing and accusations. Don't want to get no me twos or me threes. Don't want to get those false accusations. Get yourself into a bind. You know, what do you guys, what's your take on this whole woo flu epidemic, this whole Wuhan incident? The Umbrella Corporation has said that they're not responsible, and it's not the zombie apocalypse. So man, shit's crazy in the world, you know? Freaking zombie apocalypse. Business isn't looking good for the old Wuhanians. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of hurting the economy. The funny thing is, it seems like that would be a good way to hurt your women customers, since they make up the majority of the purchasing power. Well, not the purchasing power, but the purchases. I don't know, man. But old medical Dr. Eugene, Instagram doctor, told everybody, it's just the flu, bro. It's just the flu. Go back home. Go to Starbucks. Get you a latte. Don't worry about it. Man, more people have died from falling off their jet ski, bro. Don't worry about it. It's all just the little sniffles. It's just the coughs. It's the flu, bro. Don't worry about it. Meanwhile, factories are shutting down. The market's crashing. 4,000 plus points. It's probably worse today. But it's just a flu. It's just a flu, bro. Relax. People buying out masks at stores. What next? The beer aisle? Is the beer aisle gonna be empty? That's when the panic's gonna set in. When I don't get my alcohol and nicotine. You know what I mean? That's when the panic sets in. Can you imagine all those people struggling to get off of nicotine, and the world's going to shit? All those angry people. Can you imagine how much more angry they'll be when they don't have cigarettes, they don't have liquor and beer? The apocalypse is coming. It's coming, guys. Yeah, I know they've been saying this for thousands of years. It's the apocalypse. The sky is falling. Yeah, well, could be just a momentary apocalypse. Yeah, check this little scene out, fellas. This is a nice little waterfall here. Got some good water flow. Sorry about these branches. We got another little waterfall up there. It's peaceful here, guys. Unlike what the world's about to be like. You know what I mean? The world just may be falling apart. But some of us will never know. I won't know till there'll be I won't know till the bullets start flying, you know what I'm saying? I don't watch the news. I don't get into social media. I actually got my Facebook got deleted on me, and I just basically said F it, I'm not doing it anymore. Which most of y'all probably agree that's a good thing. But you know, when you get out of the world so much that, you know, the apocalypse has started and you really have, I mean, nothing's changed in your life, you know what I'm saying? You might go to the store and go, hey, why are they out of milk? Why are they out of cigarettes? Why are they out of beer? But, you know, I keep my ear to the ground. I know what's going on. I know it's a different situation here. Trying to navigate through these some of this tight brush here. I apologize if it's shaking and crap. Yeah, what do you guys think? You guys with Eugene on this? You guys a bunch of Eugenes saying it's just a flu, bro. Go back to bed. There's no need to panic. It's just half of China is shut down and quarantined. And the stock market's fallen over 4,000 points, but it's just the flu. Relax. No need to panic. Look, I'm fine. I just refinanced my house, and I bought a new car, and the wife and the kids, and I drink coffee in the morning and it tastes good, and everything's fun. Don't worry about it. It's not affecting my life, bro. Yeah. Famous last words. If I'm wrong, great. If I'm right, then we're fucked. Simple as that. But I don't make much contact with people anyway, so it's not really a huge concern on my list, as far as, unless it's going airborne, which I've heard some rumors of that too. Do y'all guys, have y'all heard that now this supposedly came from probably some unverified sources, that some of these cases, you know, they were cured, they're released from, you know, the detention camps. Basically, they were released from quarantine, given a bill of health, and then they tested them 14 days later, and they were testing positive again. So what do y'all guys think about that? They're testing positive again? Does that mean once you get it, you can never get rid of it? The gift that keeps on giving. Y'all can probably tell I've watched some Mr. Medicare live streams, because it's got a bit of dark humor. I like it. Everybody needs a little bit of dark humor, because the world gets dark. Ooh, found a bullet. 9mm. Wonder where that came from. In the woods, you can do some target practice. You know what I'm saying? It's a little zombie apocalypse prep. Yeah, this always makes me feel better. Doing a little walk, seeing some things. It rained all morning. What do you guys what's your take on where this world's headed? Are we going to hell in a handbasket? Or is this all going to blow over, and then it's going to go back to Dr. Eugene Normal again? What do you guys think? Is this the end of us? You know, I can hear you now. I can hear most of y'all. Yeah, thank God. Thank God it's over. You know, maybe over. Who knows? It might not. Yeah, anything I can do. Hell, I'll take a pandemic over divorce proceedings any day. What do you guys think about that? Divorce proceedings are far worse than a global outbreak. In fact, divorce proceedings have become a global outbreak, and it's a disease we haven't figured out how to cure it yet. So the best thing you can do is not get infected. Don't get infected by that divorce grape. A little tricky going through the swampy area here. Now, heck, we're talking about the Wu flu, talking about the beer virus. I think there's far worse infections going on in the female population. I mean, look at baby rabies. It can only be cured after it destroys its host. Look at feminism. It's cancer. And all these walks and all these GoFundMes and all of these cancer research centers, and we still haven't been able to cure it or even really fight it. So it's like that really was the best analogy, to put feminism as cancer, because it does destroy its host. You know, some of the side effects of feminism could be complete lack of logic, irritability, rapid mood swings, rapid weight gain, loss of control over anything in your life. Yeah, it's a dangerous world. Just glad I'm not wrapped up in all these other diseases out here. Oh yeah, and the single mom infection. I mean, I think that's got the highest transfer rate so far. You know, you get one woman divorces her husband, takes the kids. Next thing you know, you got 5 more jumping ship. I mean, it's an epidemic of biblical proportions. Huge epidemic. So all we got right now is the Wu flu. Because if you stay out of the whole marriage deal, you stay out of cohabitation, don't have any children with these women, or possibly go monk, avoid all contact with women entirely. The best course of action. Well, you don't have you don't get a taste of any of these violent infections. Yeah, I hear the frogs getting quiet. Yeah, I built this, rebuilt this bridge a few years ago. It was the only way to connect the 2 sides of the property with like a 4-wheeler or a lawnmower, whatever. It's the best way to get across the creek, you know. Yeah, got some dog tracks. Might be coyote. Who knows? That or they let Fluffy run amok. And here's a look at that bridge again. Did with what I had. I had a bunch of scrap materials. I'm no Bob Vila, I'll tell you that. Now I can make it work. I can MacGyver anything. One thing I can't fix is this world. I mean, I've got solutions in mind, but it's not feasible for one dude to implement. It would take an army. Yeah, I hope this isn't boring or shaky or nauseating. I'm gonna review it, but I just want to try something different. Let y'all get out and see what I see. Y'all weren't supposed to see that. That was my little rig I made up. You can see the shadow. Man, I really see how these professional cameramen feel. Have long extended shots of holding a camera steady and having to walk. Of course, they have all this high-tech equipment now. Back in the day, they had to just carry it. And a lot of them still do. Here's the other gorge up here. I don't know if this is flowing, but we'll find out. It's nice out here though. We've been getting a lot of rain, so the things that are green are really green. There's always deer tracks. Well, I've kind of dragged this on probably longer than I should have, but it's always good to get out in nature and do something for you guys and have a little chat. Kind of does the soul well. I'll let y'all guys take it easy. You know, get you something to drink, kick back, start your fire, maybe go do a little camping expedition in your backyard. Hell, if I knew you were close, you come camp in my backyard. We can have us a little MGTOW camp out. Y'all guys take it easy. I appreciate y'all. Like, for real. Y'all make my day. Alright, it's Daniel out.